Good day everyone, you are welcome to Ace Technologies Limited YouTube channel. On this channel we post different content on VTU business, on blogs, on POS field and on different things very important to make money. So kindly follow us up on this video and also subscribe and like our video. Then you can also comment your thoughts. And on this video we'll be focusing on how we can integrate into another API website. So, and this video is specifically for those using top up mate software. So firstly, before you can integrate into another API website, you have to have an account with them, which is creating of account, and that's normal. Then secondly, you have to contact the admin in any means of contact that it should upgrade you to an API user. And now, after upgrading, you have 5 different things to do from your dashboard. So integrating to an API website, we'll be using Prime Biller as our focus today. Then let me quickly explain about Prime Biller. Prime Biller is an initiative from Top Up Mate Technology Limited, and it also offers solutions for data, airtime, cable TV, electricity, exam pins, data pins and different things. And presently they are running API offers. So easily you can connect with them and take different API from them. Then now we'll be logging in into that API website to take our API key. To integrate, you have to have an API key with them, and it will be inside that API website. So let's log in into API website. Okay, let me quickly refresh. I think I have logged in. Let me quickly refresh. The network might be too slow here. Yes. So to integrate your API key on some top up made software, and especially on this Prime Biller, you have to locate where profile is. So let me quickly point out profile here. This is profile. So after locating profile, just click on it. The network might be too slow. Okay, alright. So after locating profile and after clicking on it, you locate where your API documentation is, and this is it. So you copy it by clicking on this button. Success. Then you go back to your dashboard. You paste the API key for the services you want them to offer for you. For example, I want them to offer for me SME data because I like their offers. So I will paste the API key here. Then I will select Prime Biller, which is this. Then I will select it. Then maybe I want them to offer also gifting for me. Then I will paste my API key for gifting. I will select Prime Biller also. Can you see it? So I will select prime biller. Then I will paste my API key also for corporate data, and I will select prime biller also. Maybe I want them to offer corporate for me, then I will select it. That's how you paste it for other services, if only you want them to offer it for you. Then after pasting it, remember to click on update details, which is this. You must click on it if you want it to be there. Then maybe I want them to also offer airtime for me. I can also paste their API key on airtime, and I will select their name, that okay, I want prime biller to offer airtime also for me. Then the second thing, after integrating your API key, the second thing you have to do is you must change the network ID. So you click here, then you locate site settings, which is this. Then you click on it. Then you locate under site settings, you locate network settings, which is this. Then you locate it, you click on it. Oh, the network. You click on network settings. Then after it's loading, you scroll to the IDs. You go back to prime biller. Then if you want to see their network ID for prime biller, you have to locate their pricing page, their price list. So some people do call it pricing page, some people call it price list, some people do call it pricing plan, anyone. So you locate their price list, then you click on it. Then knowing their network ID is this. Can you see it? So for MTN, if you want to collect airtime from them, for MTN you will click on one. The place must be filled up of one, something like this. So for MTN general ID is one already here. Then SME ID is one. All MTN must be one. So one, and finally you click on update details here. And directly it will save. Can you see network updated successfully? Then for Airtel, you can log in back there to look at it. For Airtel, you can log in back there and check it. Let's go back to prime biller first. So you can see it here for Airtel 2. So you can log in back to your dashboard and change all plan ID for Airtel to 2. You can see this 4. That will be blunder. 2. I'm sorry. 2. Then 2. Then you click on update details. You click on update details here. Then you have successfully changed your network ID. Then the third one is changing of plan ID. So changing of plan ID takes place where you locate services, which is this. Then you click on it. Then of course you are dealing with data plans. Then changing of this is changing of plan ID. For each services on your API website, there must be a plan ID for it. You will also find this on pricing page. So let's scroll to data plans. So here we are. Now changing of plan ID takes place here, where you must change it accordingly to avoid failed transactions. So these are plan IDs for each services. It must be on this line. Can you see? So for 500 MB SME, the plan ID is 51, and the plan ID must be 51 here also. Can you see this one? That is a blunder. You change it to 51. Then you click on update details for each of your services. Update details here, you click on it. Then for network, then for 1 gig, we have 2 here. That's wrong. So for 1 gig, you check it again. We have 52 for 1 gig SME. Then you check it, you go back again. You change it to 52. That's how you do it for each of your services. Each of your services, you change their plan ID to correlate with the one on your API website, and that's how to change plan ID. Then the fourth one you will do is to locate the site settings. We call this enabling. So you locate site settings, you click on it. So you go back to that network settings again. Here you click on it. So the services you've set their plan ID, and you have set the API key very well, and the network IDs very well, you'll be able to enable it here for your customers to see it, for your customers to be able to buy. You enable all. I don't have MTN recharge card, and I already enabled MTN data pin. Then you click on update details here. That's it. So the fifth thing you have to do on this same video is that you must go back and fund your API website. So to fund your API website here, you go back to that dashboard, you click on add money, which is this. You click on add money. Then you can do automatic manual funding, which you can make transfer into 3 banks here. Any one of these 3 bank. So we have Fidelity here, we have Money Point Bank here, and we have Wema Bank. So you can make transfer into any of these banks and it will be credited into your wallet under at most 10 seconds. So you can also manual fund by clicking on this. You can also do your manual funding. So you can transfer into Opay. The account name will be Ibrahim Yusuf and the account number will be this. Then you contact the admin by clicking on this. You contact the admin by clicking on this button that you want to make transfer. Then you can copy the account number for easy access with using this button. So PrimeBiller is just a new platform, not more than, as at this time I'm recording this video, not more than maybe a week or 2 weeks back. So you can use them as your API and you can also use them for the services you want. So thank you. We really appreciate. If you have any question, we'll be dropping Ace Technologies Limited WhatsApp contact under the comments of this video. You can easily reach out to us to answer your questions, and you can also connect your API with acetech.com.ng. That's it. Thank you. We appreciate you for your time. Kindly subscribe to our channel, kindly like our video, and you can also comment your thoughts. Thank you very much. We really appreciate